is a boneless chicken foot sushi roll. However, we have Carolina Reapers all over it.
Oh, I can't eat it then. Here, switch with me. I seriously can't have slices of this. Boneless chicken feet with Carolina Reapers.
It's got Carolina Reaper. It's the world's hottest pepper. Hey, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Better than me?
I can't breathe.
I want to spit it out.
Oh my hurts.
Why didn't you eat yours?
Making my nose run.
The video I watched, the guy, I think
Making it not actually.
No.
It won't go away.
This is a mistake. This is a jump around roll.